Alright, so here we're going to use trig to find a missing side length. So we're going to decide whether we want to use sine, cosine, or tangent. And we do that using SOHCAHTOA. So here, from 24's point of view, we would label the triangle. X would be our opposite. This long side across from the right angle is always our hypotenuse. And the side right next to this angle would be A, standing for adjacent, which means next to. So you have opposite is all the way across the triangle, hypotenuse is always across from the right angle, and then adjacent means right next to. So here we have X being our opposite, and we want to find that. So we're going to use either SO or TOA because they both have O's in them. We're not going to use CA because that's not going to help us find our opposite. And the information that we have given to us is A is 12. So since this doesn't use A, we don't have A, or H, we don't know what H is. So we're going to use TOA since we have A and we want to find O. You have to find the two letters that you want to find and that you have. So here we know TOA means the tangent of an angle, which our angle is 24 degrees, is equal to O over A, so opposite over adjacent. So our opposite here is X, and our adjacent is 12. So we have tangent of 24 equals X over 12. And we type in our calculator tangent of 24. We get negative number, and that is because we're not in the right mode. You always have to check your mode. Here, the calculator is in radians. We want to always make sure we're in degrees. So go ahead and change your menu so that you're in degrees, and when you reset your calculator each time, you're going to have to check to make sure you put back to degrees. So let's try again. Tangent of 24, that's better. 0.445, we always went around to the nearest thousand. And that equals X over 12. So here we're going to solve for X, we can either put this over 1 and cross multiply, or we can multiply both sides by 12. So we get X equals 12 times 0.445, which is 5.34. And if we look at our picture up here, that sounds like it would be, seems like it would be the right answer given that it must be smaller than the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is going to be bigger than 12, so 5.34 is a reasonable amount.